Hey guys, so in the month of November, I spent around 370,000 naira on Instagram ads, which is $217.96. Of that $217.96, we made back approximately 2.4 million, but it was 2.379 thousand or something like that. Okay? Now, from a ROAS perspective, I've told you guys on this channel, ROAS is return on ad spend. That is 6.43. What that means is for every 1 naira I spent, I made 6 naira back. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to advertise better. Because advertising more is very simple. Increase your ad budget. Okay? So let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to look at is what I call relevance. Now, there are two types of relevance. The first type is you meeting somebody for the first time on your social media platform. So this is the cold audience relevance. And what do I mean by that? If somebody is using Instagram, TikTok, or maybe Facebook, there's a certain way they already expect their platform to look like. On Instagram, somebody that is watching Reels is already accustomed to, swiping and watching Reels. When you are creating your ads need to be relevant to what that person is expecting to see. Okay, so that when they are scrolling on Instagram, your ads will look like it's on their feed, so you can catch their attention. So, for example, I'm scrolling on Instagram, I see your ad, and it's almost like I'm watching one of my friends talk to me about a product. That's how you want to create relevant ads for your cold audience. Remember, cold audience is basically the people that have never heard of you or your business before. Now, let's move on to the warm audience and warm audience relevance. Now, for warm audience, these people have seen you before. So what that means is when you show them another ad, you shouldn't show them the same thing again. Switch it up. Show them something different. Show them from a different angle. Show them a customer POV. Show them a discount. Whatever it might be. When you're creating your ads or your series of ads, always have relevance to whoever it is you are targeting. Let it be priority. All right? That's number one. Relevance. The second one is USP, unique selling point or unique selling proposition. And basically what that means is what makes your product different from everybody else's products. What is that wow factor? What is that oomph, like they call it? That is your unique selling point. Is it of great value? Is it of fantastic quality? Can it last forever? What is it? That's your unique selling point. Your unique selling point needs to come out very strongly in your ads. Okay? A lot of you make ads just for the fun of it. I've seen ads where I'm like, this person should have just dashed me the money. But when you're creating your ads, making sure that it's relevant, you also want to show the unique selling point of your product, of your service in that ad. Okay? So that's unique selling point. The next one is what I call a great offer. A great offer can also be a unique selling point, but sometimes it is different. A great offer can be a discount or a follow-up service like a warranty or a guarantee or an after-sale promotion or an after-sale service for your product. The best way for me to explain this is let me use an example. There's a company called True Classic T-shirts or True Classic Tees. What they do is they make T-shirts. Obviously, that's the name of the business, right? Good. Now, the way they made their T-shirts, it is very, very slim fit. Let me use that word. It's very slim fit for even people that are of bigger sizes. So you see a guy that is 3XL, 2XL. When he wears a True Classic T-shirt, he looks like he's wearing a large. He looks like he's lost weight. He looks like his gut is fitted. It looks like he has abs. I don't know how they did the shirt, but that's what the shirt always looks like. Okay, that is their unique selling point. They also offer a great value service where the shirt lasts for multiple washes. That's also a unique selling point. Okay, now this is where great offer comes in. When you buy, I think 3 to 5 True Classic T-shirts, you get 55% off. Now, that is a great offer. Okay, so how can you put this in your business? You can put a threshold where when somebody buys a certain number of items, they get free delivery. Or you can even say, you know what, buy two, get one free. That is a great offer. So you want to make sure, especially in this festive period, you always have great offers. Now, you don't have to keep your great offers till you're in Q4, right? I'm going to do a video where I'm going to talk about promotional planning, events, and things like that. So if you've not subscribed, this is the best time for you to subscribe to this channel. But in that video, I'll show you how to create different promotions, different great offers for different seasons in your business, depending on the kind of business that you're doing. But this is what a great offer is, and you must explain it or talk about it in your ads. Next one is the unique experience. The unique experience is almost similar to relevance. The only difference is the unique experience is within the ad. So the ad goes from, the social media platform, wherever it is you're advertising, to the landing page. What is that unique experience? What I'm trying to say here is the models I'm using in the ad, the copy I'm using in the ad, the colors I'm using in the ad, any form of branding materials or branding elements I'm using in the ad must also appear in the landing page. I should not be looking at an ad of color green, and when I get to the landing page, I'm seeing color yellow. That's a mistake. That is poor. That is bad. That is terrible. Okay? So those are one of the things that you always want to avoid. That is your unique experience. You can't be spending so much money. You've used a particular model. You used a particular series of pictures. And when you send people to the landing page, all those pictures and that model disappear. No, you shouldn't do that. So that's your unique experience. If you're telling people to comment, maybe you've done that whole automation system where you're using the ManyChat app. It's the same thing. When people go to a particular landing page that you've told them to go to, it needs to be relevant to the ad you are running. Okay, so that is what they call unique experience. The next one is CTA. CTA stands for call to action. Imagine you've done all these ads, right? You've put up your budget for all these ads. You spend money on models. You spend money on, probably hiring a designer. You've done all these amazing things. Your ads are fantastic, but you forget to tell people what to do. You forget to tell them what action to take. Come on, guys. Come on. Right? So you want to make sure that your ads always have a CTA, a call to action. Do you want them to comment? Do you want them to send a DM? Do you want them to call a number? Do you want them to click a button? Do you want them to visit a website? Do you want them to click the link in bio? What do you want them to do? Tell them in your ad. Okay? Now, if you want to know the main reasons why Instagram ads flop, watch this next video.